Well, over the next 10 years, the U.S. economy will create roughly 20 million new jobs. But here's the catch. Of those new jobs, 6 out of 10 will require a college degree or occupational certification. And not just any old sheepskin. These are jobs that will require serious technology skills. And as we emerge from the Great Recession, what we are seeing across several industries is not just the lack of jobs, but the skilled workers to fill them. And nowhere is it more evident than in America's reinvigorated manufacturing and maintenance industries. And that is where our Courtney Dehoff starts us off.
Well, the need for highly skilled workers continues to grow as Oklahoma's manufacturing and maintenance sectors thrive. What was once thought of as dirty, hot, hard work is now increasingly being seen as a pathway to a successful career.
For over half a century, American manufacturing has dominated the globe. And despite the recent recession, it is not about to slow down anytime soon, at least in Oklahoma.
Manufacturing is responsible for over 10% of our gross state product. 130,000 to 150,000 direct employees. Then you put off of that.
Mike Sini with the State Chamber of Oklahoma believes manufacturing is the true builder behind Oklahoma's economy.
Manufacturing job, for every 100 manufacturing jobs, there are 250 other jobs created in the state because of those manufacturing jobs. They could be the donut shop down at the corner next to the plant. That donut shop, or that manufacturer goes away, those jobs go away. The same thing in the retail, it's the home buyers, it's the home construction, because manufacturing jobs pay 17% more than the average job in Oklahoma.
And far from average, manufacturing jobs are at an all-time high, but there may be a missing piece to the puzzle.
Manufacturing is the core of what we're doing right now. That's also where we have a lot of jobs opportunities. Manufacturing in the country is going to need 600,000 new workers over the next 10 years. 600,000. The problem is their current workforce, the average age is over 55. They're going to retire. And when they retire, we've got to have people coming in, and they don't necessarily all have to have college degrees. A skilled worker, a machinist, a tool and die man can write their own ticket right now. They can make almost $80,000 in this state right now.
And manufacturing is not alone in its need for workers. The aviation industry's maintenance technicians are in high demand. Pete Lee is the aviation maintenance school director in Oklahoma City.
What we do is we train aircraft mechanics, individuals to meet the FAA requirements to become FAA mechanic. And over the years, we've been really successful at it. We've put more than 1,200 people to work out in the industry area. Our students, last year, their salaries, combined salaries, earned $50 million, contributing back into the Oklahoma economy.
The demand for mechanics is obvious, and graduates of the aviation maintenance program are no exception.
96% of our students, 91% of our students go to work in the aviation field itself, using the skills that they learned here. Another 5 or 6% are still looking for jobs in the aviation field, and they're working at other places that are not aviation related. We call that a positive placement. So when we look at the related placement of working in the aviation field plus the other jobs that they may have, some of them may go back to school, some may go into the military. That still is considered a positive placement, so that adds up to about 96%.
But no matter where you get your education, it is simply education that matters when trying to land a high-powered, high-paying manufacturing job.
There's no such thing as a bad degree because it gives you an educated workforce. But I think parents and families and kids need to think about what they want to do with their lives and their careers. What can I do with this degree? Where do I expect to go with this degree? Do I really like to get my hands dirty and get involved in agriculture, for example? There's a tremendous market in manufacturing of agricultural goods and services nowadays, too. Where do you really want to go?
And wherever it is you want to go, whether it's manufacturing or maintenance, you're heading towards a career that is really taking off.
Now, manufacturing and aircraft jobs do take a certain amount of training. The Aviation Maintenance School in Oklahoma City requires 18 months of over 1,000 rigorous hours of training. But Director Pete Lee assures with that 96% placement rate, it's all worth it.